Hey, have you seen the latest on XRP? It's like all eyes are on that $3.03 monthly close.
Mm-hmm. Right. It's crazy how that one level has become the focal point, isn't it?
Absolutely, it's like this threshold defines a historical milestone. Basically, if XRP can close the month above $3.03, it could be history in the making, setting the stage for a big rally.
Yep. So, to clarify, this isn't about just a daily spike, it's about the monthly candle closing above that mark, right?
Exactly, it's all about that monthly close. And remember, this isn't something we've seen since January 2025. That's a pretty notable statistic, like it hasn't been done in over a year.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. And there's a prediction tied to this, isn't there? Something about a rally toward the $7 to $11 range.
Yes, that's right. One analyst, Egreg Crypto, points out that if XRP tops $3.03 again, we might see not just a rally, but a move into price discovery mode, potentially pushing it to that $7 to $11 range. It's like a domino
Right, I get
effect, you
it.
know?
But don't some voices caution that even if we hit $3.03, the move might not be sustained due to like profit taking? I'm curious, what do you think?
That's a good point. While the theory is that closing above $3.03 sets up what some call the chasm, a key resistance line, the history has shown that sometimes there is consolidation. And yes, profit taking can create selling pressure.
Mm-hmm. So, how does the chasm factor into the broader chart dynamics?
Well, it's kind of an anchor point. The chasm connects previous cycle highs, and once XRP touches it, bullish trends have historically kicked in, sending the price parabolic. It's like unlocking a hidden level in a video game.
Yeah, I see that. And if XRP hits that chasm, the initial target mentioned was around $11, right?
Exactly. And pushing past that could theoretically trigger a move even up to 37, replicating previous cycles of explosive growth. It's almost like a
Mm-hmm.
chain reaction.
But I have to challenge something here. Do you really think relying on one monthly candle is enough memory to predict such a huge rally? There's risk in overinterpreting a single data point.
Fair enough, and that's a valid critique. While it's true that one candle doesn't guarantee a rally, the consistency in XRP's performance, the trend of 6 consecutive green Julys, adds weight to the argument. It shows
Yeah, that makes
resilience.
sense. 6 green Julys is pretty impressive. So, this consistent performance supports the idea that we're in a bullish cycle?
Definitely, it suggests steady momentum as we head into these key price levels. It's like each July, XRP builds up potential, setting itself up for big moves.
Mm-hmm. Now, there's also mention of traders on X, right? Like crypto bitlord saying XRP will pump hard into that monthly close. How should we view these social media insights?
Social media can be a double edged sword. On one hand, you get this pulse of market sentiment, like crypto bitlords call that the move could push XRP to around $7. But on the flip side, it can be hype driven. Still, combined with technical indicators, it's an interesting signal.
Right, got it. And what about Cryptolica's analysis, the one pointing to a breakout from a descending pattern on the 2 week chart?
That adds another layer. When multiple independent technical indicators suggest a bullish breakout, it boosts confidence in the rally theory. It's like the more eyes you have on the same price level, the louder the signal gets.
Yes, yes. Quite, but then some analysts argue that we might see consolidation after a strong rally. How do we square that with the rally predictions?
It's the classic tug of war in crypto markets, isn't it? On one hand, you have these strong bullish signals, but on the other, profit taking and consolidation can bring some tactical pauses. It's like running a sprint. You go fast, then catch your breath before the next burst.
Exactly. So ultimately, the key takeaway is that XRP's ability to close above $3.03 on a monthly basis is seen as a pivotal moment that could, if successful, trigger such parabolic moves.
Precisely. It's a threshold not just for numerical achievement, but for market sentiment. Closing above $3.03 could be the tipping point that propels XRP into a higher trajectory, opening the door for those potential moves to $11, even
Yes,
$37
interesting
if the
indeed.
conditions are right.
And from what you're saying, it seems like we're at a critical juncture, sort of a make or break moment for XRP's rally narrative.
Exactly. If XRP nails this monthly close above the key level, It morphs from a state of cautious optimism to one of explosive price discovery. It's the kind of moment that can redefine market narratives.
Agreed, totally. Considering all these factors, the technical resistance at the chasm, the multiple green Julys, and the potential breakout, would you say this is an opportunity or a risk?
Um, well, it's definitely both. On one hand, historical trends and technical signals suggest a huge upside. On the other, crypto is notoriously volatile, and over-reliance on one indicator can sometimes lead us astray. Balancing that risk is what makes this market intriguing.
Absolutely. It's like walking on a tightrope between robust trend signals and inherent volatility, right?
Exactly, it's like navigating a storm where the winds could either push you forward or knock you off balance.
Right, that's a vivid image. And in all this, how much does market sentiment, especially the chatter on platforms like X, really affect these moves?
It does play a role, definitely. When influential voices like Crypto Bitlord and Cryptolica chime in, they can amplify market momentum, or sometimes even cause a correction if expectations aren't met. It's a dynamic feedback loop.
Yep, I can see that. So, for investors and traders, would you say keeping an eye on both the technical levels and the social signals is crucial?
Exactly. If you're tracking XRP and the possibility of a significant rally, you need to monitor both the chart patterns and the market sentiment. It's like having a bird's eye view while also staying in the trenches.
That's the best approach. And with all this potential, it sounds like XRP could really be heading for an exciting phase if it manages to break that monthly barrier.
Right, and that's what makes the current trading period extraordinary. It's a pivotal moment where every tick above or below $3.03 could send distinct signals about the market's next move.
Yeah, very exciting indeed. So, we'll be watching closely, keeping our eyes on that monthly close. It's almost like waiting for a relay race to begin once that baton is passed.
Exactly. It's a high stakes moment that could redefine XRP's future path. And while we must be cautious about overhyping any one indicator, the consensus is that this is a critical juncture for XRP.
Right on. Well, here's to a historic close and to the thrilling ride that might follow. Thanks for breaking it down. It's been a really insightful discussion.